Hello, Go Negosyantes! It's a beautiful day, kaya samahan nyo kaming salubungin ang araw na may pasasalamat at positibong pananaw sa buhay. Let's all be successful and inspired dito lang sa SME Go, powered by Go Negosyo.
Let's go Pinoy! Kung sa business kayo ay may success, kung ang ideya nyo'y truly the best, kung hanap ninyo ay isang kasosyo, let's go! Let's go! Let's go negosyo! Go, 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 go!
The Philippine Center for Entrepreneurship rolled out in the year 2005 with a battle cry, Go Negosyo. And this year, we celebrate our 8th anniversary with profound gratefulness. Ang puso ng advokasiyang ito ay ang layuning mahikayat ang ating mga kababayan na maging positibo at makaangat sa buhay sa pamamagitan ng pagnenegosyo.
Bossings, the Go Negosyo advocates, the time that you have spent with us, going out in the caravans, summits, and all of this to mentor, to inspire a lot of entrepreneurs, would-be entrepreneurs out there. And we owe a lot to you. Our gratitude for the last 8 years. Many of the trustees like Harley C., Vivian Tan, and so many other trustees 8 years ago believed in a dream that it's about time that successful entrepreneurs like yourselves is the time to pay back and help other entrepreneurs. And of course, all of this would not be possible with the efforts and partnership of the Department of Trade and Industry. 8 years from the previous administration to this administration, we have worked with them. They have great people in the field, bringing the SMEs to the now SME Caravan. We've worked with them, and hopefully, this partnership with the DTI will continue. Maraming salamat to all of you, sponsors, mentors, and bossings and entrepreneurs.
At syempre, hindi ito posible kung wala ang mga kago negosyo natin who share the same vision at walang sawa sa pagbibigay ng kanilang suporta.
Pilipinas now is our time. Halina't subukan.
I wish to congratulate the Go Negosyo team under the able leadership of our friend Joey Concepcion for undertaking nationwide programs and endeavors that have led to the upliftment of the entrepreneurship in this country. We at the PLDT Group and our sister companies, Meralco, Metro Pacific, Metro North Tollways, and others, are happy to have joined you in this movement very early on. We are very pleased to have Go Negosyo as your valued partner in such programs as PLDT's MVP Bossing Awards, some of whom are here tonight, which is now its 4th year. We shall continue to do our share to promote this cause. We will do so because we firmly believe that entrepreneurship is the key to addressing many of our people's problems.
Negosyo. Kailangan lang ay
Unang-una po, we filed the resolution with the majority floor leader to change the name of the Committee of Trade and Commerce, of which I am the chairperson now, to the Committee of Trade, Commerce, and Entrepreneurship. Because we found that entrepreneurship was floating in between committees. No, there wasn't one single committee that was really handling it. So to be sure, we're doing that change, and hopefully that committee, which I chair, can really focus on everything about entrepreneurship.
And I guess it's the best way to reduce poverty is to make entrepreneurs of our people. And that is a very good advocacy. Ano ba ang maidadagdag natin doon na dapat gawin ng Go Negosyo? Alam mo, napansin ko lang sa ating Go Negosyo, nagtitraining tayo, nagtuturo tayo, ganon. Dapat yata tayo na mag-build na tayo ng mga negosyo sa ating community. You should be the proponents.
Let's go negosyo. Go, 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 go negosyo. Pilipinas now is our time. Go, 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 go negosyo. Let's go, let's go. Let's go negosyo! Kung sa business kayo ay may success, kung ang ideya nyo'y
We're taking it to the next level. Go Negosyantes, palawakin ang inyong entrepreneurial skills with Go Negosyo's magandang business advice on marketing and entrepreneurship. Kasama siyempre ang ating entrepreneur at renowned marketing guru, Mr. Josiah Go. Let's go at silipin ang mga nauna ng run sa Cebu, Davao, Pampanga, Naga at Lipa.
We believe in Go Negosyo that everybody can acquire that entrepreneurial spirit and have that passion to be able to do something out of nothing in order to change their lives and to make them better. So it is our advocacy in Go Negosyo to promote this spirit, and in promoting that spirit, hopefully along the way, help those who have a very real knack and a real talent for doing business, whatever we can do to help them set up themselves and become better at what they do.
The first test, if you have a compelling value proposition, is this. Will it change consumer preference? If it's not going to change consumer preference because what you're offering is being offered by your neighbor, then you don't have a compelling value proposition. And guess what you will do? You will offer low prices. And because you will offer low prices, your profitability will be lower. And because you offer lower prices, your neighbor will be pissed. They will offer lower prices too. You start a price war, and then you forget why you entered business in the first place. Which is not for charity. The second test is this. If I close your company today, what will your customer miss? And if your answer is your customer will miss nothing, they will not miss you, and I tell you, you don't have a compelling value proposition. You must have cash flow. You can have profit, pero puro utang. Lahat ng benta niyo, puro utang. Walang nagbabayad on time. So what happened? You don't have cash flow. And if you don't have cash flow, you cannot also pay your supplier. Your supplier do not want to do business with you. Tama? So profit and cash flow are two different things. But there is another thing. It's called execution. Whatever is your plan, magagawa niyo ba o hindi? If you cannot execute, plan everything, value proposition is in a piece of paper. At the end of the day, it is about execution. If you cannot execute, then it's just a piece of paper.
I'd like to thank Mr. Josiah Go for opening the doors to this wonderful collaboration and introducing especially innovative entrepreneurship, and also for bringing Go Negosyo, which is a program of the Philippine Center for Entrepreneurship, bringing Go Negosyo to Cebu through the University of San Carlos.
Supposing students are called guests, how would the behavior be different in terms of the staff of a school treating the student? They're called guests, like a hotel. How would that be different? So I want you to think about that. Sometimes the terminologies makes people behave differently. All right. One day I asked a school, and they came to see me, And they were saying, just, I give free consult. I don't charge for school. And they said, Josiah, I want to consult you. We have the best curriculum. I'm so excited. I said, why do you have the best curriculum? Because we combine the curriculum of UP Ateneo Lasal. So we have the best curriculum. I said, I think the logic does not add up all the time. This is because you combine it. So I said, why do you have an entrance exam? No, because we need to test. Who are brighter? Well, I said, isn't that your job? To teach. You're not confident of your capabilities to teach? Because in my training company, we do not censor who enters. But if they don't learn, it's our fault. Mali back warranty. So we force ourselves to get the attention, get their interest, and then we teach them. You get it? The formula becomes different.
Don't miss the chance to beef up your business knowledge. Sali na sa susunod nating run, October 12, 2013 sa RFM Auditorium, Mandaluyong City. Visit www.gonegosyo.net for details.
Kung sa business kayo ay may success, kung ang ideya nyo'y
Nagbabalik ang SME Go! Aba, syempre, hindi pa huhuli ang big-time Go Negosyantes in the making na dumalo sa recently concluded Youth Entrepreneurship Summit sa Iloilo City.
Sinong gustong yumaman? Stand up! Yumaman! Who wants to be rich? Of course, we had rich people already sitting. The reason why you're here today is for you to learn, to experience, and to find the opportunity on how to become better persons, to become successful in business, and probably this would be the start or stepping stone of you being rich in the future. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful city of Iloilo. I am Iloilo, proud to be Ilonggo. Salamat!
Kayo po ang nagpapatunay na ganun po ang interes na ating mamamayan tungo sa pag-asenso. We've been saying in Go Negosyo that success is really for those who want it most, and your presence here really is an indication that everyone would like to have that kind of success. Tama na po ang pagreklamo, tama na, sabi namin, tama na ang ngawa, ang kailangan ay gawa.
Ladies and gentlemen, the framework and the blueprint for any entrepreneur will only rely on tatlong M. Are you ready? First M nyo is a mindset. Money is the root of all evil. True or false? It's the love of money that is the root of all evil. Kayo ang makakaalam of your passion and your potential. Only you. Next, mastermind. Physical, virtual, local, foreign, hahanap ka ng role model that mimics the dream that you want to achieve and that the journey you want to take. And most of all, hahanap ka ng mentor. The difference between coach and mentor, a coach is somebody you learn with. A mentor is somebody you learn from. If you have the three, any career, any business, any aspiration, any dream, any desire that you want will happen.
The first thing that you have to do is you identify the needs. Ako po, noong October 1992, I use my personal needs. Bakit? Okay? I got married at the age 18 years old. So sabi ko, I will use my situation. So ang ginamit ko, pamilya ko. Yan po ko noon, ng batang-bata, no? Okay? Tapos, French fries equals potato corner. Kita niyo yun? So sabi ko, sige, tatayo ko to as my business.
Anong tamang savings equation? Pag kayo binigyan na ng allowance or may hawak na pera, decide right away. Is it 5 pesos, 10 pesos? Is it 50% of your allowance? You save right away. Saving is a decision. Okay? And then come up with the reasons for saving. There are only 3 reasons for saving. Save to use, save to keep, save to share. Ano pinagkaiba? Save to use, nag-iipon kayo, gagastusin nyo after 1 year kung ano yung inipon nyo. Save to keep, yung iniipon nyo, pinapalago nyo, gagamitin nyo after 3 years o after 5 years o pag gumraduate na kayo, kung kayo first year college ngayon or first year high school ngayon. Save to share, lahat tayo, part of our obligation is to be able to share whatever blessings that we have.
Go! Go! Go!
Okay.
Kung sa business kayo ay may success, kung ang ideya
Ang tagumpay ay walang pinipiling tao, oras, lugar o estado ng buhay. Success comes to those who pray and work hard for it. Tulad na lamang ng mga entrepreneurs na nakilala natin sa Uno International Corporation. Kilalanin natin ang mga probinsyanos turned successful entrepreneurs na sina Ram Cordova at Jonathan Di Mailig na nangarap, nagsikap at nagtagumpay.
Ang papa ko is dating tricycle driver, habal-habal driver. Ang mama ko is a public school teacher. Nung graduate ako ng high school, yung papa ko na aksidente. Nag-overshoot yung single motor na dinadrive. Then, eventually na-end yung life niya.
Bago ako umabot sa Uno, I've been employed for 4 years. Salesman po ako. Pero ganun pa rin yung buhay. Sahod, ubos, sahod, ubos. Minsan pagka may kailangan talaga, at the same time, walang pera, so nangungutang ka pa. Namatay yung, nauna yung lolo ko, at the same time, lolos boy ako. Kaya parang doon yung turning point ko. Kaya parang gusto ko na bago man lang may susunod sa kanila, at least maparanas ko sila ng magandang buhay.
Marami akong makakilala, mga friends that time sa school, na public school na pinag-aralan ko. May mga tipong simpleng bagay na gusto mo as bata na hindi mo nakukuha kasi nga hindi kaya ng magulang. Nakikita ko sa kanila. And background ng mga parents nila are mga negosyante, nagne-negosyo. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, siguro balang araw gusto ko ring maging katulad nila. Napadaan ako sa office ng Uno dati. Hindi ko naman alam opisina. Kasi sa baan ng opisina ng Uno dati, may mga bentahan yung DVDs. Mahilig ako dati ng pastime ko, yung mga, siyempre, Naruto, mga ganong bagay. So, bumili ako and doon ako na-invite. So, I have to face challenges na facing some people na talagang ayaw sa ganitong klaseng negosyo. But ang naging mindset ko is, hindi ko bibilangin yung ayaw. Binibilang ko yung mga sumasama at naniniwala.
Then, dumating sa point na na-invite ako sa Uno. Dati, ayaw ko na ng ganitong klaseng negosyo kasi naranasan ko dati na I was able to have a traumatic experience when it comes to in this kind of industry, sa network business. Kasi isa sa mga rason ba't ayaw ko na ng networking, ayaw kong pasukin yung Uno. Kasi unang-una may trabaho ako. At the same time, kahit magsasaka lang, kahit medyo sobrang hirap ng buhay dati, nakapagtapos naman ng college, naging professional naman.
Sa mga pangarap ko, gusto ko mag-travel. So far sa pagnegosyon to sa Uno, marami na akong naikot na lugar sa buong Pilipinas at sa parts ng mundo. Ako mahilig ako sa sasakyan. By God's grace, dahil sa Uno, nagkaroon ako ng 4. Ang pinaka-una kong naging sasakyan dito was Honda Civic. Nung pangalawang kotse na bili ko after a year, it's a Mercedes-Benz. Yun ang siguro turning point din kasi nung nagsimula ako yung mother ko, parang ayaw sa ginagawa kong negosyo. Kasi gusto niya lang magtapos ako ng nursing. Nakita ko yung sistema na sobrang ganda. Sabi ko, ito gagawin ko para sa'yo, ma. Mas na-inspire ako sa reaction ng mother ko. Nung sinundo ko siya sa bahay, yung reaction niya nung habang nagda-drive ako mula sa bahay namin, sa Tagum, hanggang dumating kayo ng Davao, same reaction. She was looking sa interior ng kotse, tumitingin siya sa akin. Hindi maipaliwanag yung sarap ng feeling na yung nanay mo fulfilled. My third car after a year then, I bought a Nissan Patrol. Then lately, pinaka-latest na nabili ko is a Hummer.
Nung time na inalok sa akin ng Uno, pinakita sa akin yung opportunity ng Uno, doon ko na-realize na sawang-sawa na ako sa buhay mahirap. The best thing for me is yung kagaya ko na mahirap lang din, taga-probinsya lang din, na nabigyan ng chance na naka-achieve din. Kasi personally, ako, when it comes to achievement, una-una, pangarap naman talaga sa mga tao, basic, bahay at saka sasakyan. Sa ngayon, hindi pa man tapos yung pinatayo kong bahay, pero nasa mga 80% na matatapos na siya, buo na siya. Siguro kulang-kulang 5 million yung sa bahay lang pag natapos na yun. Same time sa sasakyan naman, umabot po ako ng 7 sasakyan sa Uno. Mga material achievements yan, pero at least for me, good thing kasi hindi lang sa akin nangyari. May mga tao din akong naniwala sa akin nung nagsisimula kami. Dati paniwala lang, dati hanggang salita lang yung pinaniwalaan nila, pero ngayon, after long years of hard work and dedication sa Uno, tuloy-tuloy lang yung hataw namin, tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho namin. Umaabot na din sa mga almost 20. Key person ko sa whole organization ko, yung may mga sariling sasakyan, same time nakapagpatayo din ng bahay. Yun yung sinasabi kong chance na kung hindi ako nag-uuno, hindi ko kayang maibigay sa kanila yun.
Yung mga taong natulungan mo along the way, hindi pwedeng tumusan ng pera. Kasi for me, it's more important yung buhay na naayos kaysa pa material na bagay. Ang ganda po ng plano ng Panginoon sa buhay natin. Sabi niya sa Jeremiah 13:11, His plan is to prosper us and not to harm us. A good hope in a good future. Unang-una, maniwala ka. Unang-una sa taas at sa sarili mo. Pangalawa, aralin. Mahirap gawin ang bagay na hindi mo alam paano gawin. At pangatlo, gawin lang yung naaral. At tuloy-tuloy. Huwag kang mag-quit.
Ma-advise ko lang sa mga tao, kunyari, nakita mo na yung Uno, narinig mo yung Uno, kaso di mo pa alam, siguro, you give time and effort. Ang nag-iisang rason lang kung paano maging bigo ang isang Uno distributor is kung kapag nag-quit ka na. Huwag mong bitawan yung pangarap mo. Kahit ano pa yung mga mahirap na mga dapat mong daanan, temporary lang yan.
Let's go Pinoy! Kung sa business kayo ay may success, Kung ang ideya nyo'y truly the best, kung hanap ninyo ay isang kasosyo, let's go, let's go, let's go negosyo. Business kayo ay may success, kung ang ideya nyo'y truly the best, kung hanap ninyo ay isang kasosyo, let's go, let's go, let's go negosyo. Go, 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 go negosyo. Pilipinas, now is our time. Go, 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 go negosyo. Let's go, let's go negosyo. Go, 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 go negosyo. Pilipinas, now is our time. Go, 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 go negosyo. Let's go, let's go, let's go negosyo.